Let's play with AI! Hi, I'm Hideki AI Coordinator. Today, I'd like to introduce color tracking using opencv. The only library required for this code is opencv, so it's easy to learn. Recommended for beginners. The code I'll show you is designed to track a pink ball. Please try it. Start Anaconda and build the environment. Download the code from the AI Coordinator GitHub. Change to the downloaded directory. Run the code. I got an error. Install opencv. Oh. Install with the conda command. Run the code. You can track the pink ball. The processing speed is also fast. It's fun. How was it? I think I could easily track the ball. It tracks colors, so any object is fine. Please challenge. Let's play with AI. Goodbye.